Well, good morning. This is Steve Jones. It's about 9:30 a.m. on Monday, March 9th. I'm at the old Centennial Park in Nashville, Tennessee. Old tortured purple catalpa tree here. Squirrels running around. We're on the grounds near the Parthenon. You can see it over there. Beautiful day to be outside, and I don't always find myself making these videos in urban areas, but we're on a special trip here and enjoying the outside on the inside of a city. There's one of our squirrel friends right up here. That's it for this beautiful day.